Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a 20-piece set of press-on nails. The shape and length today is short coffin. Yes, I said short coffin. It is really rare that someone asks me to do short coffin nails. Usually for short nails it's like short square or short oval, short almond, but today we're doing short coffin. Right, so first we start off with prepping the nails, and I am prepping the nails manually today by taking the shine off of the surface using my buffer, and I'm doing that for all 20 of the nails. If you're new here, my name is Shameen, and on this channel I do everything nails and nails related. I haven't uploaded a full-length video in quite some time, I think about 3 or 4 months. I have been super busy, but I have been trying to keep active on this channel by uploading my shorts, so I hope you've seen them. But yes, I will be back to uploading my full-length videos, well, from now going forward, well, and some shorts in between as well. Okay, so after we finish with the prep of these nails, we're going to go in with our base color. And at first I was using this gel polish C137 from the brand Lanfo. I actually did a collaboration with Lanfo some time back. They sent me their products to do an unboxing and review of, and they sent me a bunch of gel polishes, which included this gel polish here. Is, well, I mean, they don't have names, they just have numbers, and it was this light pink color. They're really sample size bottles, so I think it was about 5 to 7 ml is the capacity of the bottles. But if you want to see that video, I will definitely link it in the description. My Lanfo gel polish unboxing. I did come with accessories as well, so yeah, that was a cool video. You could definitely check that out. So this is the inspo picture that my client sent me, and as I told you, she wanted it in short coffin, and she specifically requested short coffin because of the nature of her job. I guess that being that she cannot have long nails, I guess, to interrupt or obstruct whatever she is doing. So yes, so I'm working on these first 4 nails here with the Lanfo gel polish. But guess what? After that, I decided to change the color to a brand from Ideal Beauty called Piglet, mostly because the application was much smoother and faster, and this is a 20-piece set, so yeah, I needed to move quickly. So for the other nails, I went ahead and I used the color Piglet, and for the nails previously that had the Lanfo gel polish on it, I just went over them with a coat of Piglet, because as you can see, they're very similar in color. It's just that with Piglet from Ideal Beauty, it takes about 2 to 3 more coats to achieve the same like opacity. So again, from the picture you could see that some of the nails were plain color flat polish, so that's what I'm going to do here. I have, you know, selected nails that I think which would be like the thumbnails, and a couple other nails that are just plain flat. I just paint a plain flat polish, and I'm going to do about 2 to 3 coats of that and top coat them and set them aside, and then we'll work on the accent nails. So I'll check back in when we're going to do the accent nails. So basically I painted all 20 nails in the same base color, but the accent nails I did not top coat them. So now we're going to do our accent nails. So we're taking one of the nails out, and the first thing we're going to do, we're just going to wipe off the sticky layer of the gel polish with some alcohol. So just wiping that off, and we have a nice clean dry surface to work on for our nail art. So this is my liner brush. I'm using liner brush number 10 from Liba Nails Art. I got it in a subscription box called Nail Boxy. It has been discontinued now, but it was a really good box. But if you want to get a brush, you'll have to go directly to Libra itself. This painting gel I'm using for the nail art, based on the inspo pick, is from iGel Beauty, and it is much thicker than regular gel polish, and it makes painting line art easier because the polish is thicker than regular gel polish. So we're going in with our liner brush and we're going to do the design on the first nail. So first is just some horizontal lines going across the nail. I mean, you don't want to overthink this too much. I mean, I tend to overthink because, I mean, you just want to get perfect, right? But yeah, based on the inspo picture, I'm just going in with 2 horizontal lines, and then I'm going to add in the hearts afterward. So once I get the 2 lines and I like how they look, I'm putting it in the UV lamp to cure, and then I am repeating the same thing for another one of the accent nails. Right, so now it's time to do the heart, and I use a dotting tool to get the top of the heart, and then I'm going to use my liner brush to fill in the rest. So I just make like a V shape with the liner brush and join it at the base, and then you fill in the rest until you get the heart shape. You see how simple that was? You know, easiest way for me to do heart nail art. And I'm just going to repeat that for the other accent nails. And make sure after you do this, make sure and put it in the UV lamp to cure for about 1 minute. With the painting gel, because the gel polish is a lot thicker, I will cure it for about 1 minute instead of 30 seconds. The next heart is basically a glitter heart, so I am using this custom glitter polish from Nailboxy again. So I guess you don't have that anymore, but it's a really nice mix of glitter, gold glitter polish. And this one is to do a gold, well, a glittery heart. So I am using the same method. You put 2 dots using a dotting tool, and then you create the heart by drawing in the line and making it into the heart shape. So it's basically the same procedure as with the black hearts. Once you like how it looks, you know, you put it in the UV lamp to cure. And this one could cure for about 30 seconds because it's just regular gel polish. I forgot to put in a black heart there, so I'm just filling it in right there at that point. So yeah, that's that. So we just speeding it up a bit because it's just hearts and you've seen a good bit of them already, right? Make sure to put it to cure in between, right? I didn't like how one of the hearts looked, so I wiped it off, and I'm doing it one more time just to make sure I have it nice. I really want the set to look nice. So yeah, that's good. That's a good thing, you know. I'm making sure your set look nice. If you're one of my personal clients, just know I just make sure that your set looks good before it comes to you. Right, so off camera I outlined the glitter nails, the glitter hearts with black polish again. I don't know why I didn't get to record it. And these are the smaller nails, well, I guess these size 8 and 9, the small nails that I have already been top coated. And then off camera I did the other nails with the crown. That was a pretty simple design. So these are all the accent nails here together, 1 2 6 accent nails in total, and I'm going to encapsulate them with this Mia Secret Clear Builder Gel. So I didn't show that on camera, but this is the brush I used to do the encapsulation. And after encapsulating nails, there is this sticky layer on it left back by the gel. So it's very, very important that you wipe off that sticky layer before you file, shape, and buff the nails. So you wipe off the nails, or you wipe off that sticky layer with some alcohol on a cotton pad like what I'm doing here, and you just wait a little bit for it to dry, about 1 minute. And then once you finish with that, you're free to file, shape, and buff the nails. Make sure the surface is nice and smooth. Once I'm finished with that, I am taking my brush to remove any excess dust left back by the filing, shaping, and buffing. Once I'm done with that, I am using my alcohol soaked cotton pad again to remove any dust from on the nail before we go ahead and top coat these accent nails. If you would like to see more nail content like this, including press-on nails, gel-X, and just doing nails on myself, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Yeah, and of course, if you like this video, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. So yeah, I'm using iGel Beauty's No Cleanse Top Coat to top coat all these nails. And what I really like about this top coat, and I think I said it before, it takes 30 seconds to cure, and it is smooth, it is thick, and it is completely dry in 30 seconds. So that's why I like it so much. So we've completed top coat for all the nails, and boom, this is how the entire nail set looks all together. And I must say, I am really loving this nude pink color. Because it's a 20-piece set, we're going to put it in one of these jewelry boxes. I've already prepped the inside by putting down my two-sided tape on it, and this tape is very, very nice and thick. It will hold the nails in place because I am sending these nails all the way to Trinidad for my client, as I'm based in Tobago. So it has to go via the local courier, right? So yeah, as we pull off the tape, we're going to stick those nails down, and we're going to secure them firmly so that they do not move in transit. So while we're doing that, I'd just like to take the time to say thank you for watching this video. If you reach all the way here and you're still watching this video, that is so good, because I know I have been absent for quite some time. I've been active over on TikTok and Instagram, and as I said before, on YouTube Shorts. However, my long form videos is where it's at on YouTube, so I am trying to get back into that. It has been pretty busy over the last couple of months, which is why I haven't been able to upload a full-length video like this one. But rest assured, I will be uploading the videos. I can't say consistently as yet, but I am trying to get out the videos pretty often. So that'll be it for this nail set, and this is how it looks on the outside. This set is beautiful. I mean, it's very simple and it's very cute. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.